Hello everyone, welcome to week 8. Hooray! You're just about done. Congratulations to you on that. So let's give you an overview of what this week looks like. Pretty much, you have a chapter to read, an article to read, and then you'll be presenting your group collaboration on a reform, and then submitting your group collaboration presentation, whether Google Slides, Prezi, however you're presenting, and your annotated bibliography. So one more time, let's go over what's reading. This week, Practicing the Art of Leadership, it's chapter 8, looking at instructional leadership and change. You had some of that to read last week. You continue with it this week. And then there's the McKinsey report, how the world's most improved school systems keep getting better. So thinking about what you read or heard from Anthony Muhammad in the discussion board last week, this is another research piece that follows up with that. So again, the collaborative reform strategy with your annotated bibliography is the work that's due that you've been working on in your assigned groups. You'll have to submit it into there, either the link. A reminder with links, if you're going to give me a link, make sure you share it that I have access to it. Very, very important. So looking at your share access, you might even want to make it anyone with the link anywhere and not specific to just Concordia. So that way I don't have any issues, but just that reminder for you. Then there is a Christian message from Dr. Maxwell again about the leader's attitude. Just a great voice that he has to remind us, the servant leaders, that we can be as we make an impact under our campuses. And then there is a meeting this week. That's where you're going to share your presentations, and that is this Tuesday, May the 1st. I know I have one group that one of their members was having an issue, so they'll be meeting the day before, but everyone else will have 4 presentations that evening on May the 1st. And as it says in the directions, be ready to have one person who will open up the presentation, and they'll be given the moderator abilities to share the presentation with the whole group. And we'll talk more about that and go through that at that time. So the reminder about the annotated bibliography, there was directions given to you on it. This is this information piece that is there in the directions, but I think this is a great sample of this right here. With again that listing of the citation for a reference form, and then a 150-word summary of what that article totally was about, and then you again will be citing it somewhere in your presentation as well. But this is a separate page that will need to be submitted for the assignment as well. So again, the slides that you present, and then separately the annotated bibliography that supports it. So that's what's expected for the assignment. The reminder again that you will be presenting on Tuesday night, but you have until Friday if need be to submit the slides and the annotated bibliography. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call, email, or text. I look forward to seeing the majority of you on Tuesday and a couple of you on Monday night. Have a great week. God bless.